So today we are gonna show you the volcano incident play video, and I hope y'all will enjoy it, and like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Yeah. Mom, will we go to the volcano, please? Yeah, sure. We're gonna take some pictures. Yes, and I'm gonna take some pictures too. But do not go close to the volcano, or y'all will fall in it. Okay, Dad. Okay, let's go. Okay, yay! Oh, I forgot it wasn't open. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Oh, I was too crazy. Okay. How's the car moving by its own? I don't know. Okay, let's go. Why is this car farting? I don't know, son. Like, yeah, why is it actually farting? Wow. Okay, let's go. What? The car is barely moving. Yeah, it's barely moving. Oh, now it is. What I don't know what this car was doing. Okay, let's just try to go there super fast. What the hell is happening? Oh no, there is blood again. We do not care. What the hell? It didn't hurt anyways. Okay, son. Ow! Why were we flying? I don't know. I do not know. Fast time! What was happening? Okay, we are almost there. 1 hour later. Oh, we're finally here. Yes, we're gonna take a picture of the volcano. Yay! Oh, okay. It's just spreading like fireballs, and I don't know if it's gonna go at us. Yeah, I'm thinking of that too. Yeah. Okay, let's go! Sun chill! Lava! Melon sun! Oh, it looks cool! No, my son! Don't touch him, honey. He's already burning. I'm on fire! No! Wait a minute. I'm much invincible! Yay! I hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe to see these videos on my channel. Let's go!